Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says microbes are used during dash of the sewage water. Option A, primary treatment. Option B, secondary treatment. Option C, filtration. Option D, both A and B. So let us understand the question. It says microbes are used during the dash of the sewage treatment. Okay. So during which step of sewage treatment microbes are used. So let us see. So if you talk about treatment, sewage treatment, it can be divided mainly into two principles or two treatments, you can say. The first one is primary and the second one is secondary. Okay. Now in the primary treatment, what is the first step is filtration. Okay. So all the suspended particles will be removed by filtration. And next, after filtration, that water is allowed to sediment, like it'll allow to stand, and so that the grids will get sedimented. Grids. So which consists of the tiny pebbles, sand, etc. So this is sedimentation. Okay, there is sedimentation. Okay. So and then the effluent which is formed here, like after the settling down, this effluent, the effluent will be taken to effluent will be put in a standing tank. You can say, okay, it is left to stand in a tank, resting tank also you can say, where naturally whatever the components are there, some heavy components, they all will settle down. And this is called a primary sludge. What is this? Primary sludge. And this is formed during the primary treatment itself. Now the effluent here from after primary sludge is formed, or so the effluent is taken and then it is sent to secondary treatment. And in this, the first step is aeration. What is this? Aeration. So in this, during aeration, what happens? This is done basically to allow the growth of microbes, like bacteria, fungus, etc. Now these microbes, what do? They act on the organic component here, and it reduce the BOD, biological oxygen demand. Okay, so you can say that it says microbes are used during dash of the sewage treatment. So you can say that it is used during secondary treatment, right, of the sewage water, secondary treatment of the sewage water. Because here we are allowing the growth of the microbes, right? Then after this also, when this, all the organic matter is digested, these form the growth. After these microbes grow and they degrade all the organic matter, further they are allowed to settle, and these form the secondary sludge, activated sludge you can say. Okay, these form activated sludge. The flocks of these organisms will settle down and that will form activated sludge. And to digest this activated sludge, again, anaerobic organism will be used. Okay, so basically it happens, or microbes are used during secondary treatment. Option A is primary treatment, which is wrong because during this filtration and grid separation happens. Option C is filtration. Filtration is a step which comes under primary treatment. Hence, that is also wrong. Option D is both A and B. So it is not primary treatment and secondary treatment they have given. In primary treatment, we don't use microbes. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Let us conclude. So the answer is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.